If your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is suddenly frozen or unresponsive, you cannot do anything on the screen, in order to solve this issue, you can perform a force restart of the device. So to do that, just press and hold the power button and volume down button for a couple of seconds until the screen shuts down. Usually, after you start pressing and holding these two buttons, you just have to wait for like 7 seconds or so. So let's just wait for that. So once the screen shuts down like this, you want to release both of these buttons, and now you just want to wait until the phone turns itself back on. Keep in mind that unfortunately for some reason the phone might take a short while to turn itself back on, so you just have to be really patient and wait for the phone to just restart. After a short while you should see the Samsung logo and the phone will turn on. You don't have to press and hold the power button to turn it back on. And hopefully the phone will no longer be frozen or unresponsive. Leave a like and subscribe.